So good afternoon everyone, this is Siddhant here from Frinks AI. What we have got at the South Expo is our setup for the dimensioning as well as the OCR. What we are doing here is, as you can see on the screen, we are performing an OCR application. The OCR application not only consists of the heat code but also has an engraved code. Usually different makes of cameras opt for different types of cameras for these different types of OCRs, but here we have incorporated all in one. And not only for the OCR, we are also going for dimensioning, and we are capturing all the dimensions for this entire application. So we have got with us not only dimensioning solutions, but also we have got solutions for assembly, we have got solutions for different types of recognitions, and we have also got 3D solutions with us. So do visit us at stall A07 at the South Expo in Chennai, occurring from 12th to 14th of this month. Thank you.